So this is the original photo and this is the luxurious recreation from ChatGPT. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your boring product photo into something that looks luxurious like this one using nothing but ChatGPT, and here's how you can do it. Step number one, let's navigate to chatgpt.com and you can log in with your account. And after that, you have to prepare two elements that later we will include in the final photo. So first, you need to provide the picture of the product. And for this example, I'll try to use the picture of a cap or a hat. So this is the picture that I'm going to use. It looks like this. And also, I'm going to be using this logo that I actually created using Gemini AI. I think it looks pretty good. So these are two elements that I'm going to include on my final photo. While the other section, which is the slogan, could be included directly in the prompt. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to just upload the photo. I will just drag and drop the files. First is the hat photo, and then the other one is the logo. So after that, you can copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. And don't worry, the full prompt is available or should be available in the video description. Now I'm going to paste that to ChatGPT. And there are a few things that you need to modify right here. So first, we have to tell AI about the product that we meant from the pictures that we just uploaded. So in this case, I actually renamed my product photo to be hat.jpg. So I'm going to write actually not jpg, it is a png picture, hat.png. And the other one is logo file name. The name of the logo is Aurelia logo. And lastly, you can insert the slogan. So this one is really up to you. In this case, I'm going to be using the slogan timeless, let's say design. I don't know how to create a slogan, but that's the slogan that I'm going to use. And after that, click tools and enable create image. And once you're done with all of the photos, the logo, the pictures, and also the prompt, then you can send the message to ChatGPT and just wait for 1 or maybe 2 minutes for this AI tool to convert these two elements into a final photo. And I'll be back to show you the result in a second. So this is the result. I gotta say it looks quite pretty. And remember, the original photo was looking like this. It's kind of boring and not feeling professional, but this one, by just adding this simple upgrade, you could charge even higher for the same product. So that's the power of branding. So anyway, if you are happy with the result, you can click the download button and the photo will be downloaded to your device. So that's basically how you can do it. And again, you can check the full prompt in the video description. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.